So this is the first job opening that we have, which is hiring as a head of information security, network security. It's in Qatar, right? And guess what? It's in Starlink. Yes, yes, the same company which owns by Elon Musk, right? So it want 15 plus years of experience in networking, 5 to 7 years of leadership skills, autopilot, and all those things is important. Their key responsibility will be assigned to you. Define the driven enterprise network strategy against ISO 27001, NCSA, architecture network, IPS, DDoS, JET-TNA, web proxy, SaaS technologies, and all those things. How you can apply? You can drop your CV to this HRO recruitment at starlink.qa. QA means Qatar, right? And application you can mention head of information security, network security, right? That's what you can mention, and then probably you'll get a job if you get selected. Next opening as a SOC analyst. As I told you guys, there's a lot of hiring in SOC analyst, right? But people are not. It want just 6 months of experience, right? Only 6 months of experience, and you will get a job with a very good salary in Bangalore itself. Aswini.krishnakumar@careernet.com is the mail. This is work from office. This is a fantastic job, but people don't have knowledge about SOC. You can check out this URL if you want to learn about socviehgroup.com/SOC, right? So that you can learn and be a part of. You'll get experience later as well. Next one is someone is hiring as a pen tester. I don't know what exactly they want, but this is the mail ID if you are in any domain. And even if you want to learn about web application pen testing, you can check out this URL because we provide a couple of things to the students and with the experience as well. VIEHgroup.com/TCI. Now, next opening is someone is hiring someone as a security trainer, and they want minimum 1 years of experience. CA certificate is required. Web application security, Linux administration, and computer networking is important, right? If you're interested, info@sectechcreation.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? So that's what we have. Next opening is basically as an offensive security penetration tester. 1 to 2 years of experience required. Pen testing. It's on Jeddah, KSA. Urgent hiring alert is 1 month maximum notice period because they want to hire as soon as possible. Role will be a pen testing person. Web application mobile network exposure, 1 to 2 years of experience is required. And M Mohsen at cyberhype.tech is the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? And 1 month of notice period is required, right? Now, next opening is hiring as a core program and database at Pragrati Software Private Limited. So this is basically for the devs. So if any developer is watching, you can get this job if you apply, right? Just drop your resume to this mail ID, and if someone is not responding, then just call him, ask why I'm not getting this response. Anyways, last opening is, I guess this is last, which is Mysore, 0 to 1 years for experience required, maximum 4 opening. They want to hire as a pen testing trainer, right? They want to hire as a pen testing trainer. Skill, this is required. Tools and technology is required. Box between all qualification is this. And Masur pen testing tester, and this is actually in hacking era. Vikas is the owner of this company. Hiring @ hackersera.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. So they're hiring for a lot of openings. So check it out. Yes, that's all we have. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.